So this is the Elko we just got. Can you tell us about this motor? I don't know what I got over here, man. So my dad actually had an Elko just like this back in the day. Finally get to put these 4G autos to the test, man. Got the nice El Camino sign. We gonna take it all in. The floor and interior looks immaculate. 16,000 miles on this joint. So this is where they put the music. Oh snaps, I got music. 1987. El Camino with the owner's manual. Alrighty guys, man, we done finally made it to the garage. I've been going on live with you guys here every day, so you guys already know what the garage looks like. Still getting it situated, but furthermore, I feel like I'm gonna go hop on the 2023, go to Harley, get some parts, and then go get some parts for this thing actually, man. So if you guys don't know, we actually finished this thing up recently, and the only thing we have to get is this little oil line right there. We got the shifter and all that good stuff that we can throw on this thing today and possibly get a first ride going, man. So we'll see. We'll try to pull this thing out and see what it looked like, but I guess you guys can get a good look from right here. It does look pretty good, man. Pretty good. Got the brushed wheels with the buttons on there with all the oohs and the ahs on it to go along with it, man. So definitely a nice sick bike, but that 2023 is up for grabs, man. You get a entries right now for only, man. Head on over to everythingregular.com. I feel like I'm gonna pull up on Done by D for a little bit, check out our Monte Carlo. We also got something else coming today, so we should be over there checking that thing out when it touches down. Meanwhile, man, let's hop on this Harley and head to Harley and go get these parts, man. Alrighty guys, we just pulled up to my guy Done by D shop, man. Y'all see he got the bays after bays after bays and the cars after cars after cars, man, lined up left to right, man. I got my boots on, man. I got my, I'm real Texas right now, man. Y'all see what's going on. We got the Monte Carlo over here with the oohs and the ahs on it, of course. Big Daddies. I ain't gonna hold you. The gold rims actually look better when it's cloudy out. When it's sunny out, the brush looks a whole lot better. But y'all see what's going on, man. We got the ZL1 supercharged motor in that thing with the Big Daddy on the Big Daddy, man. Y'all see what's going on. Got another old school right here. Ooh, this one look nice. Look at the candy on this thing. I ain't gonna hold you. Look pretty. Hey, this motor bay look hard. This one look.
I still gotta clean some shit up.
It look good.
You pulled up and you bet me I couldn't get it running today.
Yeah. Easy money, huh?
Yeah, I can get it running real quick.
That's funny. It look good though.
I gotta change that air filter. That's the old one and shit like that.
Yeah. Yeah, it look hard though. It's clean.
Yeah, I gotta adjust the switch. It's at the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Start on that one.
Oh, the one up top. Oh yeah. This one, it look like it ain't nothing, like just like you can't even bolt nothing up. That's what it's looking like. Usually it'd be a whole freaking front end. Huh?
Round up.
Yeah. That's insane. So you gotta wire the whole thing and everything.
Everything.
That's crazy. Yeah, this gonna be a little task right here, man. This gonna be a little task right here. So this one's got an LS swap coming. Big lips on there. Big motor in the back of the back. See, look. You got that sucker started. Got that sucker started, man. Good. Sound good. What is it?
I gotta clean all this up. I got the new air filter going. Cover that PVC valve up. Yeah, he was here.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, I know he excited. This thing right here hard. That thing look clean in the inside. Y'all see what's going on? Real plush, clean, nice and simple. Nice and simple. I ain't gonna hold you. You got a whole driveway full of old school. This thing is sick. Got the Impala over here. This one yours or no?
Nah, one of my customers.
Oh, okay. This one look good with the rims on it. We should be having an Elko pull up pretty soon, man, so I can't wait. Y'all stay tuned. It's definitely about to be a movie over here. Alrighty guys, I just finally hopped off the CVO, man. It's windy as heck out here. Like I said, they supposed to have a whole cold front and everything, man. So I gotta hurry up, do what I gotta do and get out of town before that cold front come in. But definitely windy, definitely a fun ride all in all. I can't wait. Meanwhile, I was trying to introduce y'all to the newest Everything's regular member, man. Y'all see what time it is, y'all see where we at. Just pulled up on my dog Done by D. Got me right. Got the oohs and the ahs on here. Oh my Lord, now y'all remember these 4Gs. Hold on, let's just take a step back. Let's just see what it's looking like right now, man. Let's just see what it's looking like. So this is the Elko we just got. It came on these rally wheels right here. But look, the CVO said it itself. Let them get that introduction, man. Y'all see what's going on. I don't even know what year it is, but El Camino, we got the 4Gs for it. These was the 4Gs that was supposed to go on the Monte Carlo, but they didn't fit, so we actually got the freaking Elko, so the wheels could be able to fit. So of course we got a little rub up there. I'm sure Done by D will help us out and get that situated. But if we just check it out, ooh, it actually worked. That thing worked. Y'all see what's going on, man. See, that's why I be bringing the old school cars right over here, man. My God, I know exactly what to do. Gonna get me right, man. Y'all see what's going on. It does look really good, though. I ain't gonna hold you. Now, this side look good. The other side, we're gonna have to raise up a little something to get it together, but I ain't gonna hold you. These are the wheels that came off of it. This thing is a freaking beast now. If we do look at the paint, it's a little faded. Gonna need a clear coat. Nice clear coat to do this thing some justice, huh? Nice clear coat. It look cool though. Take a little nick off. Me. And I know y'all like, man, why the rims different, man? We just test fitting right now, man. We just test fitting, man. Now let's check out this motor, man. Can you tell us about this motor? I don't know what I got over here, man.
Fuel injected 350.
Fuel injected 350. You know what year this is?
Nah.
I see it though. It's running. It's sounding good.
It's a good one.
It's sounding good, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, see. Y'all see. It ain't been touched. Look good. Run good. AC. Everything for the everything. Shout out my boy. It's looking real nice. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm excited, man. So my dad actually had an Elko just like this back in the day. And literally, he had brush wheels on it. And that thing looks so sick. Now his was of course way shinier than mine. Mine's, I feel like I'm gonna need like a nice quick silver paint touch up and then some nice clear coat, but I ain't gonna hold you. It's looking good, man. Whew, on them wheels, we finally get to put these 4G autos to the test, man. It's been so freaking long. Got the nice El Camino sign. Does look good. Now this is a Conquista. It's not an SS, but it is gonna look good. Now, I wanna see if we can probably get a motorcycle up in this joint. How you open this? How you open it from this side? See, most trucks, you open from under here. I ain't had an Elko before, so I wouldn't know that. So you open it like that. Got the Big Daddy right there. Big Daddy. So which one y'all like better, man? Y'all like the Elko or do y'all like the Monte Carlo, man? Which one you think look better, man? Elko? Yeah. Elko or the Monte Carlo though?
Oh shit.
It's excluding the motor and shit.
Both of them.
Both of them look nice, man. We can't. It's hard to pick, man. Y'all gotta let us know right now in the comments below, and let us know which one y'all like. But my boy got this thing fired up. Let's check out the interior on this thing, man. Like I said, this is my first time seeing it with y'all, so we gonna take it all in. The floor and interior looks immaculate. What is it? 16,000 miles on this joint. 16,000 miles on this joint. Looking good, running good. We got good power. We're probably gonna need some fuel pretty soon. Got the oil limiter bouncing off the thing, but got the radio in here and everything. So it looked like we might have some sounds. Like I say, El Camino right there does look pretty freaking good. I ain't gonna hold you. Let's see. Okay, So this is where they put the music. Oh snaps, I got music. I got some amps up in here. I got some amps. I gotta get some speakers now. But I ain't gonna hold you, this thing clean. Let's check out the other side. I actually like those rounds. Dang, all that wind. I like these American racing rally wheels right there, man. If y'all want them, y'all know what time it is. This thing is hard though, I ain't gonna hold you. Sorry about the wind, y'all. Sorry about the wind. Look at this thing. I ain't gonna hold you. This thing is nice. This thing is nice. So let me see. We even got the, okay, I was right. 1987 El Camino with the owner's manual and all that, man. Come on. 1987. 1987. Ooh, I saved $1. I saved $1. Good looking out, my brother. Y'all see what's going on, though. Nice, clean El Camino, clean top. Everything just literally immaculate, man. Immaculate. I ain't gonna hold you. Immaculate. It's looking good. Looking real good, man. So what issues you have with it so far? It didn't start or what?
Yeah, I think the battery low.
Oh, okay, got you.
Well, first off, this is the ground wire, which is the right size, but this is the power wire. It's not the right size.
Okay,
both
got
will
you.
be the same size, so it's really not charging right.
Got you. So we gotta get
wrong bolt, so I put the right bolt on there.
It sound clean though, I ain't gonna hold you. I wasn't expecting it to sound this good. I wasn't expecting it to sound this good, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Definitely appreciate it, man. It's time to go up, trying to go yay yay. Where the exhaust at on this thing? Okay, we got the exhaust over there. Little ooh and ah. Like I said, we still got to get a nice test fit before we get these things right before we go on the first ride, but definitely is looking good, man. Y'all see how nice the freaking Monte Carlo looks, so y'all can only imagine how I was gonna do the Elko, man. This thing is a freaking beast. Like I say, old school to old school, man. What y'all thinking on the Monte Carlo? Y'all see the interior on here. This thing is immaculate. I ain't gonna hold you. I done came up on some nice old schools. That's crazy. I done came up on some nice old schools, and y'all know on my Monte Carlo here, we got the Big Daddy Z01 LSA. Big Daddy everything on here. Full suspension, brake system, everything, supercharger, oohs and ahs. He had to change the water pump out, but y'all see what it is. All the oohs and ahs, everything ready. Looking good. But you never know. We might get a old school giveaway pretty soon, man. Last time we didn't meet the requirements, and then right when we was about to get this thing away, the transmission and everything freaking went out. But we finally found a car for them wheels to go on, so I'm actually probably just gonna keep these like this. We had our other wheels right here. We have our other Ford Giottos right there. However, I actually like the gold setup on this now that I do have the brush setup on that, so no big deal there. Y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man.